Everyone, meanwhile the students are coming, I would like to start my annual report for this year 2022-23. As the famous quote goes, great things are not done by impulse, but by a series of small things. I feel honored to extend a hearty welcome to our respected dignitaries, Mr. Ambalalji sir, retired secretary BSER Ajmer, Mr. Harishankarji Sharma, ADEO Jhalawad, Director sir, ma'am, ladies and gentlemen, my beloved students, teachers and staff member. I am happy to welcome all of you to our 20th annual function, Rashmi Rathi. Today, I am delighted to stand before the most illustrious and esteemed gathering to present the annual report of the year 2022-23. The principal motive of our school is, we want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. To achieve that, we have moved few steps last year, which are 3 CBSE lesson plan workshops were conducted to train our teachers to explore the key ingredients, encourage deeper understanding and make learning explicit. It also enabled teachers to get a good understanding and better understanding of our children's classroom behavior. To increase the confidence in the personality of students, 2 student-led conferences, SLCs, were conducted where students of every class explained one concept to the parents using models and charts which they have learnt in their courses. Have a glance.
Then we speak about joy. This is joy is the point at which two points are connected. I hope you like our presentation. Thank you sir for visiting our school. राजस्थान के नाम को व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं, जैसे राम, जयपुर, सुरेश, दिल्ली, भारत आदि। जातिवाचक संज्ञा व्यक्ति तथा वस्तु की संपूर्ण जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्दों को जातिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं, जैसे लड़का, जंगल, पेड़, पहाड़, अध्यापक आदि।
To remove our pre-primary students in the streets of Jalrapatan to raise awareness in the community regarding scarcity of water. To remove the rote learning aspect from the education system is suggested by New Education Policy 2020. School has adopted Singapore-based lead curriculum where we teach each subject by different strategies and pedagogy and help students solve real-life problems. A smart TV is installed in each classroom to give students a multimedia learning experience in every class. A tablet is given to each teacher containing comprehensive lesson plans and teaching resources to help them teach at a world-class level. Let me give you a gist of how a daily class is conducted at Sigma.
The blender can install right until it is full.
There were many activities which were conducted this session. However, as because of the time constraint, I would like to highlight few of them. Sports Week was celebrated to raise awareness about the values of sport, discipline, perseverance, sportsman spirit, teamwork, and to encourage public and large to take up sports and make it an integral part of their life while emphasizing on the importance of being fit and healthy. I feel very proud informing you that Sigma School achieved 10 medals in state level Hapkido championship last year, and our student Purvi Prajapati has bagged silver medal in National Hapkido Championship Kolkata. Health checkup was organized to determine that our children continues to have good health. Hand in hand, help children understand that sound health is an important step towards living a longer and healthier life. Pyari Ma competition was organized among our parents to generate awareness regarding healthy diet so that students get healthy diet in their lunch boxes daily. Real excellence is when the academic knowledge is used efficiently. Our students are encouraged to participate in competitive exams like National Science Olympiad, International Maths Olympiad, etc., which builds up positive spirit among students and gives ambition and motivation for students to prepare themselves for all level of competitive examination. And they do bring laurels. Sigmites got 8 gold medals in International Maths Olympiad this year. Field trip to Chittorgarh, Abheda National Park and Seven Wonders Kota has been organized to give first-hand knowledge to students. Color days were introduced through displaying vivid colors every month throughout the years to develop an understanding of using color in many forms. Sharing is caring is not only told but also practiced through sharing day, and caring was not only limited to sharing of food items but also caring of our nature. Mother Earth was taught to them by observing Green Day. Through art and craft, a child not only learns about new shapes and colors but also become aware of different patterns and figures. Activities such as clay modeling, origami, stick painting, thread painting were introduced in the curriculum to enhance the creativity of students. It has been yet another year of long journey, and I am sure the collective step put forward towards our vision by our committed and energetic parents, the intelligent and hardworking team. This academic year, we will be starting personality development classes for class 6 to 12th students, focusing on enhancing self-awareness using proven techniques like SWOT analysis, group discussion, etc. I would finally like to conclude with famous quote of Mahatma Gandhi: "Be the change you want to see in this world." As Sigma is moving towards transforming our education system so that our student becomes leaders, not workers. Thank you.